Good morning, class. Today we shall solve the exercises of chapter 4, the pronoun. In previous three lectures, I have explained about the pronoun and its kinds. In this period, in this class, we shall solve the exercises of the chapter. First exercise A. Here, use the correct personal pronouns for the word or words in the brackets to complete each of the following sentences. You know, here in front of the sentence, Mamta is in bracket. And for the Mamta, in place of Mamta, what should we use in place of the Mamta in this blank? And you know that subject must agree with the verb have. So you know in place of Mamta as a pronoun we can write here you, because you takes verb have and you takes Mamta in singular, where you is used as a singular and plural both. In second exercise, the clock. You know the clock is non-living things. So we can use it. Non-living things, we can write here it in place of the clock. Is playing. Here he is playing, and you know it is a Sudhir. Sudhir is a boy, and for the boy we use the pronoun he. And in my mother and I, here it became plural. My mother and I, it became plural. So we can write in place of my mother and I, we, because we agree with R. So we can write here we. And in flowers, you know the flowers are the plurals here, and are as a verb here used. So we can write here these flowers. They are in the garden. So in place of flowers we can write here they. Is riding his bike, because Ankur, here is Ankur, and Ankur is a boy, so we can place here he. Is from France. Mary girl is a girl, and that's why in place of Mary we can write here she. She is from France. And in 8th exercise, is ripe, and the apple is a non-living things, so we can write in place of apple it. And in 9, has a brother. Rita, in place of Rita we can write she. And the goat, it is an animal, so we can also write it here. So that is all the exercise A. Now let us we solve the exercise B. You know, here is said, what is said here? Which form of the personal pronoun do you find in the given sentence? Subject or object? We write your answer against each sentence. Now we have to recognize whether it is a subject or object. The pronouns, personal pronouns that are used in this sentence, these are either in subject or in object. You know, I have explained in personal pronoun through the chart, because me is the objective form of I. So me is wrote here, me is a pronoun, personal pronoun that is used in objective form. So you can write in object. And here us is also objective form of the we. So we can again write object here. In you and are. You know, Where are you from? You know, you is a form of subject. Here, you is used as a subject. Although the objective and subjective form of the you are same, but here you is used as a subjective form. So here you can write subject. And now him is a objective form of he. So you can write object here. He is also subjective form, so you can write here subjective. And them is the objective form of the they, so we can write here object. And it is blue, it is a here it is used as a subjective, although it has same format of objective and subjective form, so you can write here subject. All the neighbors love you. You here is used as a object, so you can write here object. It means this is all about this exercise. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronoun. I have told you I has a reflexive form. I has its reflexive form myself. We reflexive of ourself. You ourself and yourself. She herself. He himself. They themselves. These are the reflexive form of the pronoun. And you know Bibhu and Pulkit. These are the plural subject. And in plural subject we use they. So here will be themselves. 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 Here will be its reflexive form will be themselves. I, you know, I's reflexive form is myself. You can write myself. It will not be different. It will be written in joined. The lion can defend because lion is considered as animal, and in place of lion we can also write it so itself. It will be itself. My mother often talks to herself. My mother is a female. I am feminine gender. So for the feminine singular gender we can write herself. So my mother often talks to herself. He did the homework himself. He is he is a pronoun, and its possessive reflexive form will be himself. So you can write here himself. Now exercise D. Fill in the blanks with relative pronouns who, which, whose, where necessary. Because you know I have during the explanation of the chapter I have told you who, whose, which, where, whom. These are the relative pronouns. So fill in the blanks with relative pronouns who, which, or whose, where necessary. He likes clothes which are soft, because which is the relative pronoun that is used for non-living things, and clothes is non-living things, so we will use which. Can I talk to the man? Man is a living, and who is sitting the bench? Who means Joe. Can I talk to the man? क्या मैं उस आदमी से बात कर सकता हूँ? Who is sitting on the bench? Here who, the word who means Joe, not con. Perhaps you are the girl who I met on Monday. Whom here will be whom. W-H-O-M. W-H-O-M. Whom माने जिससे. Perhaps you are the girl. शायद आप वही लड़की हैं जिससे मैं मंडे को मिला था. तो this is the whom. Whom means जिसको, जिससे. Somebody stole the car which we purchased last month. Here you can write car is a non-living, and so for the joining the subordinate clause we can use two words, that and which. Both are right, but here we have to use only who, which, whose. Who, which, whose. So who, which, who. I met somebody stole the car which we purchased last month. The book is non-living, so we use which. You gave me gave me is very interesting. Bill Clinton, who was the president? जो president था. Bill Clinton जो who was the president? Here who जो. This is the car which had an accident. यह वही कार है जिससे which means जिससे एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, which had an जिससे एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, which this is the so we use which here. Yesterday I saw a man. A man is a living, so we will use here who. So who was really old. And exercise now. 8. Exercise E. E, F, G, H. There is more exercises, and I shall perform these exercises in next class. So I hope that you will study all the kinds of the pronouns and try to understand the theme, the meaning of the words and exercises, and prepare these exercises, and no need to write in your copy these exercises, only fill in your books. That's all in this class. Thank you, class.